It does have some steering wheel scratches. You can see them there. That and dye the driver's seat. And look it over for anything else. I'm going to do a little bit of touch up right there. A little bit of repair work right there. A little bit right there. And a little bit right here. Get her all cleaned up, sanded and prepped and sprayed. I'll be back with the finished product. Let you guys get a good look at this thing. She's a good looking car. Looking pretty good for a 2016. Back in a minute. I'm gonna point out here on the driver's seat where it's been repaired already. And if you can see the texture difference between here and here. This has been repaired. And I really noticed it over here too. It was coming off with the rag. It's taking a total different experience, or a different look. You can tell somebody's done something there. For me to make this seat look the best that I can, I'm going to have to dye over the threads a little bit. Try to stay off them as much as possible. Just wanted to point that out. I'm getting ready to get it sprayed up. I got the wheel taped and ready. We got her finished up. Give you guys a view of the engine. Sounds awful quiet right now, but when I first started up, it sounded like a freaking Formula One race car. Well, I still got to clean the overspray off, but we've got it repaired up. Just got a little clean up. Oh. Small spot there I gotta hit. We're not done yet. We got a spot we gotta hit. Seat turned out good. We had to cut